Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the apps. Let's tap on them. They will appear right here on the right side, so let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here in this list we have to find the special option which is called Install Unknown Apps. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install something. So of course we can change it. Let me choose Chrome, for example. Let's simply tap on the switcher, and basically this is it. From now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps. Choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just upon this specific switcher, and the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.